Wintry weather is already impacting COVID vaccine deliveries in our area, and it's becoming a big problem nationwide. Leslie has more on the weather's impact in the fight against this pandemic.
That's right. Vaccine centers in several hard-hit states have had to temporarily close, and others are canceling appointments. In our area, Ochsner is rescheduling hundreds of first dose appointments at its retail pharmacies. Dr. Joseph Cantor with the Louisiana Health Department says that if you have an appointment this week, call your vaccine provider to see if it needs to be rescheduled as a precaution. And although we expect a slowdown in new vaccines, we expect a big update on recent vaccinations already administered. The Louisiana Health Department will release its latest report on doses administered. That's release will be today. It's the first report from the agency in a week because of the Mardi Gras holiday. And right now it lists that just over 254,000 Louisianans have been fully vaccinated. Meanwhile, the nation's top infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauquier, expects shots to be available for all Americans by July, but he says it may take longer for everyone to actually receive them. The country is vaccinating an average of 1.7 million Americans a day, which is up from 1 million a day just a month ago. And you can receive the latest updates on vaccination efforts and availability by texting VAX to 504-529-4444. We will respond with a link to our latest headlines.